In 2003, a planetary scientist known as David Stevenson came up with a rather bizarre proposal. What if we sent a probe to the center of the Earth? Journeying to the center of the Earth has forever been a fictitious fantasy idea, with Hollywood taking it to extremes. We're still falling! And therefore making it look completely implausible. But Stevenson had other ideas. You see, in 2003, he published a paper called A Modest Proposal, which was crazy, but plausible. He calculated that if we detonated an explosion on the surface equivalent to a magnitude 7 earthquake, it would create a large crack, quite naturally.
Nice.
But the important thing here is if we then filled that crack with molten hot iron, the iron is so dense compared to the surrounding crustal rock that it would force its way and extend the crack downwards. Now this is where things get interesting. At the start, this crack would go down 5 meters per second, therefore taking it about 1 hour to reach the 15-kilometer mark. And if we kept pouring in more molten iron, it would take a couple of weeks to reach the core. Now journeying to the center of the Earth is pointless if we can't get there ourselves, which is why he suggested we use an unmanned probe which we put down in the molten iron. This would traverse downwards towards the core as the crack develops. And by using acoustic waves, the probe would send measurements as it gets deeper and deeper. However, the issue with this idea is even if we did set off this explosion and we did have enough iron at the start, it's estimated that we'll need at least 10 billion kilograms of iron, which is a lot. His reasoning for this entire thing was, well, we spend so much money going up there and looking at space and planets and sending satellites, and we rarely spend as much money going down there. And therefore he created this modest proposal to see whether it was possible. If you enjoyed this video, like, comment, share, follow, and I'll see you in the next one.